Hello, this is Josh from Advanced Camping, bringing you another video tour. This one of an all-new 2021 Roadtrek Zion. It's got a lot of cool new features, so I can't wait to show you. Yeah, as always, you can see Roadtrek has beautiful, clean lines on the outside. Really would take someone who really knows a lot about Class Bs to know that it is one, and it really kind of that lends itself to the whole thing they're trying to accomplish, which is sort of stealth camping, if you will, where you can really be parked anywhere in a normal parking space and just simply turn your air conditioner on with your 2 lithium batteries and run your air conditioner without any thought. You can have the air run all through the night if you wanted to, have it set to automatic. But you have enough battery power in here to do that, and whenever you want to, you can simply recharge it by idling the engine for half an hour, 45 minutes, completely will recharge those 2 batteries. You also have best-in-class 300 watts of solar on the roof, so that's going to be quite a bit of solar. And we can see we have the power steps here, which is a nice touch. You have that on the driver and passenger side and on the main door here too. Also going to be some really cool chassis updates for the 2021 Ram chassis. Those are going to include blind spot assist on the big mirrors. And you're also going to have a crosswind assist computer built in. And also there's going to be a rear view camera that's on all the time. So normally with these, the rear view cameras are all but useless. So with this though, you flip a switch and it becomes a camera that's shooting from the back all the time and is going to give you a continuous view of what's going on behind you with no blind spots. So that's going to be a huge upgrade. And we'll have the screens for the sides and back here. We'll have a nice big power awning, porch lights. Everything is painted uniformly here. This one's in granite. I do also have a desert sand one outside. Only difference would be it has a cherry wood color inside. Everything else is the same. Okay, opening up the back doors here. You have a little bit of extra storage. Great for like longer items, bag chairs, what have you. You can also see your seat belts. The Zion is really one of the very few Class Bs that has 3 seat belts in the rear. So you're going to have the 3-point belts on both sides, but then also a lap belt in the middle. So not many Class Bs are doing that, but Roadtrek is, so that's going to be a big boon to you. Then again, we do have a nice big screen for the back here as well. Let's close this up. We do have a hitch, and that'll tow 2,000 pounds. Great for bike racks, or they make so many different kinds of racks nowadays for cargo or really anything you want to do. We have a quick connect for our city water hookup over here. Makes that very easy to connect. Shore power hookups right over there. Super easy. Let's take a quick peek around on this side. Does have an outside shower. Nice little utility shower if you have pets. And it also doesn't fill your gray water tank. You have hot and cold water out here. So some people do dishes outside just simply to keep their gray water tanks from filling up, as that tends to be the biggest filler upper, really, is the gray tank, because you're showering and sinks and things like that. So anything you can do to get around that is great. So let's take a look inside our brand new Zion here. It has the new color scheme and the Firefly touch screen. So very cool things. We have these beautiful granite countertops here. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but it does speckle quite nicely. So it's quite shiny. It's really beautiful, truly, truly beautiful. You have a recessed sink here, induction stove as well, which is a nice touch. All with this stainless steel backsplash, which is very easy to clean and keep clean. We'll have our microwave up on top here. Nice big 5 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer. Great pull-out pantry here. Super cool idea. And also we'll have some very deep storage down below here. Just see if I can show you the bathroom here real quick. So remember, instant tankless water heater here, so as much hot water as you want on demand. You have a sink, spot for toiletries, toilet. You have a nice vanity mirror here too, waterproof light. So yeah, nice shower area too. Great storage space up above here too. You can see that's all lined. So quite a bit of storage up above there. You have a little bit more up here too. Some reading lights that you can swivel around here. But this also has the leather front seats. These are the platinum leather. And very, very nice looking. You can see a little bit more of that from the rear. But yeah, here's our new updated 2021 chassis. So quite nice looking. It's going to look pretty much the same except for the blind spot assist, and yeah, really this rear view camera, not that you can tell, but you can switch it to that camera that we were talking about earlier. So the other really cool new thing is this Firefly screen. Super easy to control everything now. Very similar to the Pleasureway setup. So, you know, you have the master lights on and off. I love that. You can just turn all the lights off and on with one switch. All your tank levels are very easy to be viewed. You can actually set your climate control. That's on automatic. So it's as simple as just setting your temperature and it'll turn the heat or the air conditioner on as needed, which is super cool. You can see you can turn the batteries on, 1, 2, and then the inverter is all, you know, easily selectable right there. You can bring your awning in and out. You can extend or recline your sofa. And there's also buttons in the back too, if you're in the rear of the coach and want to extend or retract that sofa, but you can do it up front here too. Super, super cool. But yeah, your HVAC system, you know, you can set everything to automatic if you want to. You can select furnace. You can select different fan speeds. Makes everything super, super easy. Love this new Firefly screen. Just makes everything, you know, one touch of a button and no problem. So big upgrade there, I would say, along with the new interiors. This is the Ebony Cabinetry. Again, I do have another one in stock with cherry cabinetry. It would have the same color platinum and the white granite countertops. But yeah, really nice big storage area in the back here too. Great for hanging clothes. Really big hanging clothes space. And yeah, in the back here we'll have overhead drawers. And then, yeah, here's our bed. So it's really nice is when you hit the extend, you basically have 2 twin beds with this kind of gap in the middle. So what that does for you is it makes it really easy for you to get up and out of bed. You can fill that gap in to make one king size bed if you wanted to very easily. But it is kind of nice to have that gap in the middle, especially if you're sleeping with like someone who isn't your spouse, you know. It's nice to have that little bit of separation. And yeah, a lot of really nice windows back here too. Remember, you have 3 seat belts back here, so you can set the recline in any position you want. So if you want to kick back, put your feet up, you know, on these things and watch some TV, you can do that. It has a nice television antenna. It's also a smart TV, so if you have you know, your smartphone on you, you can get a Wi-Fi hotspot and be able to stream all your favorite streaming services right through the television. Television also swivels 180 degrees, so you can see it from the front. The 2 front seats will swivel around, and you can set a table up there or right where I'm standing in the back by the sofa area here too. So 2 positions for the table. Yeah, very, very comfortable seating. You really got to kind of feel it to believe it. Very, very comfortable seating. Plenty of storage. Big aisleways. Roadtrek has always had big aisleways. I really appreciate that. So all in all, an absolutely beautiful coach here. I think you'll agree with me. And at a pretty reasonable price, too. You're not getting quite into those, 140, 150 price range, and has a real smooth ride to it. So, yeah, definitely check it out. Again, my name is Josh. You can reach me here at 414-281-6330. And you'll see that on the bottom right of your screen. And yeah, please check out our website for current stock availability and pricing. That's going to be at advancecamping.com. Also going to be in the bottom right of your screen. And if you like this video and want to see more, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.